This guide will show you how to use System Restore in Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. System Restore allows you to return your computer to a previous point in time, which can be useful if something has gone wrong. Let's get started. First, click the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type Run, then open the Run app. In the Run box, type rstrui.exe and press OK. This will open the System Restore tool. Click Next to proceed. You'll then see a list of available restore points, including their date and time. Select the restore point you want to use, then click Next. Review your selection, and if you're sure, click Finish to begin the process. Your system will restart and restore your files and settings to the selected point. Keep in mind that any changes made after the chosen restore point may be lost. And that's it. If you found this helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more guides.